Alright, we're going to take a look at the Hitchhiker's Guide to Engineering Disciplines. While you can earn a college degree in general engineering, the vast majority, about 98% of all engineering bachelor's degrees, are awarded in a specific field or discipline of engineering. Thus, it is important to have a specific engineering discipline in mind when evaluating schools. Consequently, you need to be aware of these disciplines over the next 4 years as you prepare for college. So based on the number of bachelor's degrees awarded annually, the engineering majors offered at U.S. colleges and universities can be divided into one of 4 size-based categories. And these categories are going to be the big 4 disciplines, the medium 4 disciplines, the smaller 10 disciplines, and then specialty disciplines. So we're going to look at the big 4 right now. And even Vogan on Vogosphere has these 4 major disciplines, such as civil, computer, electrical, and mechanical engineering. So let's look at civil engineering first. This has an overall focus of public works, infrastructure, and building structures. So they got a variety of disciplines such as construction management, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, surveying, transportation engineering, and water resources. Another area in the 4 big major disciplines in engineering is computer engineering, which utilizes knowledge in both computer science and electrical engineering to design integrated computer systems. For example, they have disciplines in this area such as artificial intelligence, computer architecture, computer design and engineering, computer theory, information technology, operating systems and networks, and of course, robotics, software applications, and software engineering. A third area in the big 4 is electrical engineering. The overall focus here is all things electrical and electronic devices, electrical systems, electrical energy. Some examples of electrical engineering is communications, computer engineering, digital systems, electric power, electronics, and robotics and control systems. For here is mechanical engineering. The overall focus of mechanical engineering is machines, structures, devices, mechanical systems, and energy conversion systems. So some examples here would be solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and mechanical design. So let's go over to the medium 4 now. Oh, and by the way, these 4 major areas encompass about 67% of all the majors that college students major in engineering. So let's go to the medium 4. This is going to be aerospace, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, and industrial engineering. Let's look at aerospace. Overall focus here is flight, vehicles, and systems covering both space flight and subspace flight. So, for example, aerodynamics, structural design and material science, propulsion systems, guidance and control systems. The next area is going to be biomechanical engineering. The overall focus in this area is engineering application within the broad fields of medicine and the life science. For example, biomaterials, biomechanics, biotechnology, clinical engineering, and medical devices. Next, we have chemical engineering. They focus on chemical-based manufacturing. An example of that in terms of commercial quantity production of a wide variety of products would include fuels, agricultural chemicals such as fertilizers and pesticides, plastics, polymers and fibers, pharmaceuticals and drugs, food additives and products, and many more areas. Finally, let's look at industrial engineering, which has a focus of efficiency, more precisely how to design, organize, implement, and operate the basic factors of production in the most efficient manner possible. So, for example, in this area, we might see ergonomics, facility design, management decision making, manufacturing engineering, quality control, work design, and work productivity. And these are some areas you probably didn't think of when you think of engineering. And this encompasses about 20% of all the engineering majors. So if we look at the big four, which was civil, computer, electrical, and mechanical, and the medium four, aerospace, biomedical, chemical, and industrial, we have about 87% of all the engineering degrees. So let's look at a couple of the smaller 10 disciplines. For example, architectural engineering, which focuses on engineering systems for commercial, industrial, and institutional buildings, facilities, and whatnot. So this would be structural systems, mechanical and electrical systems, and construction management. And lastly, in the small 10, I like to pay close attention here to environmental, which has a focus of protection and preservation of the environment, including sustainability. And they focus on things such as air pollution, hazardous waste treatment and disposal, natural systems modeling, recycling and solid waste disposal, and water resources. And then the final category in this four is called specialty disciplines. For example, that might be like ocean engineering, but we're not going to talk about any specialty areas, okay? So that's the major disciplines in engineering that I wanted to share with you. So now what I want to do is look at our good friend Deep Thought and ask a question. So Deep Thought, what is the answer to life, the universe, and everything? Oh, Deep Thought, you're very wise.